This will be my first video on my new channel called JudPie. The main focus of this channel will be anything and everything to do with the Raspberry Pi. That is, how to set it up, how to use console commands, how to code and play retro games on the Raspberry Pi, and many others. But let's start with the beginning. You may be asking, what is a Raspberry Pi? What can it do? How much does it cost? Well, I'll tell you. The Raspberry Pi is a phone-shaped computer as thin as a credit card. Imagine your phone, but without the screen, battery, or the chassis. This allows it to be customizable and expand for many purposes, and I'll show you all the possible ways you can use the Raspberry Pi. It can play movies and retro games, but you can put it up for home security and use for controlling any RC toy or drone. Now the cost. You may be thinking $150, $250, not even close. The base chip and a kit costs as low as $25 for the base model, and the highest model is just $45. That is a really good value for this thing. In the next video, I will show you how to set up any Raspberry Pi. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button, and I'll see you in the next video.